machine twist tester. This is a variable length model, so you can choose from 500 mm to 50 mm. That is one of the requirements in the ASTM 1423 standard. Let's talk about the machine controls for a bit. This is your S and Z direction selection. TPM, TPI, this is units, twist per meter and twist per inches. The machine can operate in 3 different modes, that's M1, M2 and M3. We'll talk about these later on. Test length is where you select the length of yarn that you want to untwist. Use the increase and decrease button here. So we select 500 because you can see we are sitting at 500 right now. You can release this knob and go back and forth if you want to change it. So we'll go back to 500. Say enter. Set twist is, now we know this particular yarn is around 230. So we'll select 230, say enter, and when everything is set, say start. So you can see the machine goes and sits at 230 and it stops. Now we'll check whether it's completely untwisted. So you can use a little pin to separate them out. Now you can see it's not fully done yet, so you need to use the forward and reverse button to get it fully untwisted. And now you can see it's done. The reading 214 is a little bit less. That happens, there is some variation. So in this particular machine you can select the number of experiments you want to do. This is capable of doing 20 experiments. So you can increase and set the values in each experiment. Once you are done, you can go back and average them out. So we just did one for now, so it's just 214. Now we go back and talk about our modes. M1 we already showed you. M2 is where the machine untwists and retwists the yarn. That's ASTM 1422 standard, I believe. So what it does is, if you're not really sure what the TPM, TPI is, you can use M2. The machine untwists the yarn and then goes back to twisting it again. Same is M3. The only difference is M3 does the same thing twice. So your S-type yarn goes untwists, becomes Z-type, and then it untwists and retwists back to S-type. That's just an additional feature. This is something you'll probably not find in many other machines around. So, thank you.